Look at my arm. That's cool.
They got our cars underneath the thing.
I'm gonna bring it. I want to see bigger hail boats.
No!
Remember how big they got last time?
Are we on a tornado watch?
That's cool.
What?
We thought it was hail. We heard ting ting
Dude,
ting.
it's hail.
Yeah.
Got it!
That's great. You can even see it on the porch. Yeah, I can see it. That's cool.
Waiting hard outside.
Oh, look. Yeah. You know what's funny is you look up in the sky and you don't even see any clouds.
Outside. What we have having?
Small little hailstorm.
Hail?
Yeah. It's ice. Come here, Sienna.
Isn't that crazy? Hopefully they don't get bigger. Huh? Yeah, hopefully they don't get bigger.
Can I hold it?
Come to the
Put them out real quick.
Whoa, it's fine.
Yeah, that's the hail is. It's ice.
I heard that.
It's already melted and that stuff was all over there. Did you see all that stuff that was there?
Yeah.
Why can't we get a horse? Oh, that's right. Yeah, I can see maybe we will.
I was carrying very hard weight. I was carrying very hard weight. I got wet.
That's cool.
Very
I'm sorry,
hard.
another way.
Yeah. Just a little.
Stop it.
At first we're like, is that hail? This is how it sounded. And you couldn't